Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to unlock Substack premium content. You may have been seen people claiming that they've found a secret way to unlock every paid posts, but here's the truth you need to know. Substack premium content cannot be legitimately unlocked without subscribing to the creator's paid publication. And premium posts, videos, podcasts, and newsletters are protected by the creator's subscription settings. And you need to avoid using the third-party tools or websites that promise free access, as many are scams or could compromise your account. And if you really enjoy a creator's work, then subscribing is the only official way to unlock all of their premium content and support future publications. So that was how to unlock Substack premium content. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.